Okay, so Windows is being restarted, and if we try to open the tablet oscilloscope software, it will open because it says device disconnected. Here we go in device manager and we choose view by connection. We will see the oscilloscope device showing up here under the USB 3 branch, because that's the port I'm gonna use now. And by the way, if you use the other port, it doesn't make any difference. It's even worse. But let's connect this dumb standard data cable, micro USB with the USB plus Type-C adapter. Oops. Yeah, this board is not, well, it's not supposed to be to stay like this. Anyway, there's nothing to worry because the connection is done through a ribbon cable, so there is no. Okay, so what happened is that the moment it's being connected, the oscilloscope mode has been activated on the tablet. Okay, so on the tablet oscilloscope. So we are in oscilloscope mode automatically the moment that I connected. And right now, just for example, I have a square wave being generated on the with a waveform generator, so we can test it here. So let's try to put the pin here in the center, and yeah, I can just even do like this because it's internal, so I don't need to plug the. And look, I can lower the trigger position here. I'm gonna lower it here on the software, and it also goes here on the there. I see. I just move it here on the software here on Windows, and also there. So let's see if I can go a little bit far. So I see there, and then I can of course choose a different scale. I can reposition the 0, and on time base I can choose a different time base, or make maybe a larger one there, and I can choose I can choose a different kind of source. Anyway, yeah, it's working, and yeah, the problem was the keyboard. So I hope this video helps, and avoid someone to go all the frustration that I went through. Try to find a customer service contact number or email, something on the Hantek website. There is basically nothing. There is just only an email, and then I registered to the support. I registered to support for just waste time, because within the support section of the website there is no way to contact anyone. And I wrote the email, I took the screenshots, I just described the problem, and then I just got, after weeks, I got a single answer, and it was just a dumb question. And after that I follow up. Of course, the seller that sold, the shop that sold the device said, we cannot do anything, you need to talk with a manufacturer. And yeah, so for many months I haven't been able to even transfer the picture saved in the oscilloscope to the computer, you know. So if I had taken some screenshot on the internal storage, there was no way that I was able to take it out. So I had to remake the screenshot possibly using you know, with a flash drive, plug it in, because that way when you save, it saves on the flash drive, it doesn't save on internal storage. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, everyone, take care and God bless. By the way, you may wonder what there is inside the oscilloscope. Yeah, that's why I didn't close the oscilloscope. I thought could be interesting to show what there is inside. And so what we have here, exactly here, this, let's see what again. Yes, these two small chips here, they are this the electronically operated switch, let's say. Let's call it that, like a switch. See if I can zoom in. I don't think I can. Anyway, yeah, basically these two switch here, they work in conjunction. So there is one signal that makes both of them switch together at the same time, but the left one is connected to the to the Type-C port, the main port, while the right one is connected to the flash drive port. And basically, when you turn on the oscilloscope, they work in such a way that the flash drive port is connected to the USB controller IC, which is this one, and this one is the internal storage, the 128 megabyte internal storage flash memory, which is like an internal flash drive. So it's just embedded as a flash drive. So this is the USB controller. When there is no connection to the main port here, you plug your flash drive here, and automatically from here the signal goes to this switch, but by default the connection goes to here, and the AC controller answer. When you plug a cable to the Type-C port, note that this port has a 4.5 volt voltage applied to it. So because it's an output voltage, okay, because this is supposed to be used with a slave device, and the oscilloscope work as a host, so it has to provide the power. So this one is always have 5 volt supply through this diode here, okay. And but when you plug the connector, when you plug the cable here, then this chip here senses the presence of the cable, and then it gives the signal to the two switches here, and basically the flash drive is disconnected from the line. Instead, the main port here through this switch here goes back here again. So this is the super basic model that I have. As you see, this is missing. You just only have only two batteries. I think it could also, be. I can easily add 2 more battery if I need it. This is the main logic mainboard, but there is the digital multimeter is installed here. And here there is the ribbon cable that goes to display, and that's the ribbon cable that goes to basically to the oscilloscope section of the, which is the board here in the bottom. And this one, honestly, I don't know, but yeah, I think you know, if you ever anyone was curious about that, this is what you will find if you open it. Thank you very much for watching.